Welcome to Exams Daily. In this video, I am going to share you SSC CPO syllabus and exam pattern. CPO Central Police Organization, which is conducted by SSC Staff Selection Commission for various postings under police organization. And in our channel, we had already uploaded SSC based syllabus and exam patterns. If you don't watch that, I'm just giving that link in description box. You can go through that for your reference. And in this video, SSC CPO syllabus and detailed exam pattern. And at first, exam pattern, it comprises of 4 stages of examination. And first is paper 1, and then physical test, and then paper 2 and medical examination. And those who have completed paper 1 with minimum qualification mark, you are eligible for physical test. Once you are attending physical test, you are eligible to write this paper 2 examination, and then you are selected for medical examination. And this is the examination pattern for SSC CPO. Once paper 1 you have completed, you are eligible for physical test and paper 2 examination, and then you are called for medical examination, and this is the exam pattern. And then examination pattern for paper 1, and it is you are going to write this exam via online computer based examination, and it comprises of 4 subjects. At first it is general intelligence and reasoning, general knowledge and general awareness, quantitative aptitude, and then English comprehension. And general intelligence and reasoning, it is for 50 questions for general intelligence and reasoning, and it is 50 marks for general intelligence and reasoning. And for general knowledge and general awareness, there is 50 questions, and it is also for 50 marks. And for aptitude, 50 questions, and it is also for 50 marks. And for English comprehension, 50 questions, it is also for 50 marks. Totally you are going to write this examination for 200 questions and for 200 marks. And the time duration for this paper 1 computer based examination is 2 hours. So totally 2 hours you are going to write this examination. In our Exams Daily main portal, we are providing study materials for this syllabus. So you can go through our main portal to get your study materials. And paper 2 examination pattern, and it only one subject for this paper 2 examination, which is English language and comprehension, and it consists of 200 questions for 200 marks, and the time duration for this also 2 hours. So once you have completed paper 1, you are eligible for physical test and paper 2 examination. And paper 2 is only comprises of English language and comprehension, and 200 questions are there for 200 marks, and for 2 hours you are going to write this examination. And the detailed syllabus for paper 1 examination, at first it is general intelligence and reasoning, and it comprises of topics like analogies, similarities and differences, space visualization, spatial orientation, problem solving, analysis, judgment, decision making, visual memory, discrimination, observation, relationships concept, arithmetical reasoning and figural classification, arithmetic number series, non-verbal series, coding and decoding, statement conclusion, syllogistic reasoning. And these are first main topics for general intelligence and reasoning. And then the topics are semantic analogy, symbolic by number analogy, figural analogy, semantic classification, symbolic number by classification, figural classification, semantic series, number series, figural series, problem solving, and then word building, coding and decoding, numerical operations, symbolic operations, trends, space orientation, space visualization, Venn diagram, drawing interferences, punched hole by pattern folding and unfolding, figural pattern folding and completion, indexing address matching, date and time matching, classification of central codes by roll numbers, and then small and capital letters numbers, coding, decoding and classification, embedded figures, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and then social intelligence. And these are the topics for general intelligence and reasoning. In our exams readys main portal, we are providing study materials. You can go through that, or else in market many books are available for this reasoning. First you want to go through basics, and then you want to go through referral books to get more and more critical sum solving pattern, and then general knowledge and general awareness. And in this they are going to test general awareness of the environment around him and its applications to the society. And this is the aim for testing this general knowledge and general awareness. And it comprises of subjects like national and international, like India and its neighboring countries related information, especially pertaining to history, culture, geography, economic science, general polity, Indian constitution, and scientific research. And these are the topics for general awareness and general knowledge. And for this, in our channel we are daily providing current affairs. Do follow current affairs to get updated information for your competitive examination. And then for quantitative aptitude, and it is for at first whole numbers, decimals, fractions and relationship between numbers, percentage, ratio and proportion, square roots, averages, interest, profit and loss, discount, partnership business, mixture and allegation, time and work, time and distance, time and work, and then basic algebraic identities of school algebra and elementary sets. And then graphs of linear equation, triangle and its various kinds of centers, and then congruence and similarity of triangles like SSA, ASA and that subject, and then circle and its chords, tangents, and these are available in 9th standard max book. And then angle subtended by chords of a circle, and this is also in 9th standard and then also in 10th standard books. And common tangents to two or more circles, and then triangles, quadrilaterals, regular polygon, circle, and these are the syllabus in 9th standard. You can go through 9th standard books to get information about this. And then right prism, right circular cone, and these are all in 10th standard max book. And then sphere, hemispheres, rectangular parallel piped and rectangular right pyramid with rectangular or square base, and then trigonometric ratio, degree and radian measures, standard identities, complementary angles, heights and distances, histogram, frequency polygon, bar diagram, and pie chart. And these are the topics for aptitude, and you can go through 6th to 10th standard books to get basic related sums, and then you go to referral books to practice more critical sums. And then for English comprehension, and they are going to check the ability to understand correct English, and is by her basic comprehension and writing ability, and they are going to test your comprehension and writing ability in this English comprehension section for part 1 of examination. And then for paper 2, it comprises for English language and comprehension, and these are the topics that comes under paper 2. And in paper 2 only you are going to write this English language and comprehension paper only. At first it is error recognition, fill in the blanks using verbs, preposition and articles, and then vocabulary, spellings, grammar, and then sentence structure, synonyms, antonyms, sentence completion, and then phrases and idiomatic use of words, and then comprehension. And these are the topics for English language and comprehension. So once you have completed paper 1, you are eligible for this physical standard test. And for physical standard test, you must need some categories, like for male candidates, your height must be 170 centimeter and chest unexpanded 80 and expanded 85. And for candidates belonging to hill areas of Garhwal, Kumaon, Himachal Pradesh, Gorkhas, Dogras, Marthas, Kashmir Valley, Lake and Ladakh regions of Jammu and Kashmir, northeastern states and Sikkim, they must need 165 centimeter in height, and then chest unexpanded at 80 and expanded 85. And all candidates belonging to scheduled tribes, a height must be 162.5 and at a chest unexpanded 77 and expanded 82. And for female candidates, height must be 157 centimeter, and female candidates belonging to hill areas must comprise 155 height. And then for female candidates belonging to scheduled tribes, it is 154 centimeter in height. So once you have completed a physical standard test, you are eligible for paper 2 examination is also. So and then weight is corresponding to your height. And for physical endurance test, for male candidates, first 100-meter race, and it is for 16 seconds, and 1.6 kilometers race, and it is also for 6.5 minutes. And long jump, it is 3.65 meter, and they will give you 3 chances. And for high jump, 1.2 meter, and they also give 3 chances for this. And for shot put, and it is 16 lbs, and it is 4.5 meter, and it is also they given 3 chances. And for female candidates, 100-meter race in 18 seconds and 800-meter race in 4 minutes, and then long jump 2.7 meter in 3 chances, and high jump 0.9 meter in 3 chances. And for female candidates, there is no shot put. And these are the exam pattern and syllabus for CPO examination. Yes, and that's it. And I think so it is very useful for your competitive examination. And do follow our channel for more and more videos, and thanks for watching.